So we just got a phone call from Amazon. And all the stuff that I ordered today is here. So this is the only thing that it possibly could be. It's not how we wanted to wake up this morning at all. Shit. Jesus. Oh, I'm so sad. So I think this might be our pool. I'm not exactly sure, but that's why I have the camera, so I can film it in case it is. Hi. Okay, it's kind of exciting.
Kind of exciting, yeah.
It got here a day early, not even 24 hours.
Oh yeah.
Well, okay, just about 24 hours from the time that we ordered it to the time it got to the door, and it looks like it is the right one.
It's hot.
It's hot. So we may just leave it in there until later. It's too hot.
It's like 120 degrees outside.
It's really, really hot. So I'm gonna shut this off so I can drive, cool him off, get him some aspirin. Hi. Did I wake you up? All right, you two. Get up. You have to haul a pool.
Yeah, chop.
Earn your keep. See if these guys can carry this box.
Wow, this is really lopsided. Thanks. Here, I can tip it like that so you can get a hand on it.
For some reason, I'm always filming Joel's butt.
I wonder why you have so many followers.
Bend with your knees. I'm helping. See? I'm picking up garbage. They did all the heavy lifting. You do know that we don't have workman's comp, right?
That's not
Okay.
First stop is jumping in this pool.
That's your payment,
This is all fixed.
right? Did you get a paper cut? Good, because that's not covered under workman's comp either. Nobody made carrying boxes look so good.
I tried.
These are all the supports, huh? Put it together. We decided it was best to wait for the sun to go down for it to be cooler. But when the sun goes down in Saudi, the humidity goes up. And way up, which makes everything a sticky mess. We need to apologize to all of you guys watching about the humidity. Sorry you can't see, but this is our life in Saudi. Hot and moist.
Moist.
It's moist.
Best word ever.
So the question is how many times are they going to turn the pool until they get it correct? Pretty sure Jeff's ready to like set it up all night long.
I did.
Are we turning it again? All right. I mean, I'm not. I'm gonna stand over here. Apparently the guys got some bug up their butt and they decided they're gonna put the frame up. So, you know, they said, oh, it's cooled off. It hasn't cooled off. It's hot still out here. So we're gonna try to throw it together as fast as we can with the frame and that way tomorrow Joel can put all the components into it. So let's put it up. It's so nice out here with a balmy 90 degrees and 87% humidity. It even says it's wet. Ugh. It just got too hot and steamy to continue, so we decided to call it a night and work on it in the morning before it got too hot. However, this did not go as planned. How much fun are you guys having?
We do this again tomorrow.
I vote Jeff gets a punch your throat for Christmas.
We have to wait that long?
Put a bow on it.
Woo! It's only 111.5. It's not that hot, is it? Joel's standing over in the misters. We took breaks about every 10 minutes to cool off because it was so miserable. The metal braces had to be moved inside because they were too hot to handle, even in the shade. You act like it's hot out there, Jeff.
It's the next level of hell. Reminds me of all those days roofing. Maybe every break we had, we'd be in the basement in the corner, drinking Gatorade, smoking cigarettes, and lying on the concrete.
Makes sense.
That's good living.
Directions say that the pool takes about an hour to set up, and it took us several. But we finally got it finished, and it took all day for the pool to fill. But we had big plans for tomorrow and in the coming week. You gonna do anything with your day?
I'm not gonna do anything with my day till later, but we've got to go to the store now. It's too hot to do anything in the day.
I mean, it's too hot.
I mean, I think it's 113 in the shade. I mean, it's a little uncomfortable. I mean, I can muscle through it, but it's absurd.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go pick up this stuff for the pool.
We were off by just a few degrees. It's actually 100 and almost 18 degrees in the shade in the backyard. He's not turning the car on so it cool off. We're gonna go sit in this car
It doesn't cool off.
and it's gonna be like 130 degrees in the car. Sucks. I might die. Oh, if there was like feel-o-vision, feel how hot
This is?
my tuchus is. So this is our pretty town of Rahima. Very colorful.
All the money from all the oil and all of Saudi Arabia, and it all starts here, but they don't invest hardly a dime in this place.
Nope. They definitely don't treat Rahima nicely, especially because Aramco's here. This is where Aramco's stationed basically for the aviation department
Well, and the refinery.
and the refineries here.
Massive refinery area. It's treated like a third wheel, like a hindrance.
Yeah. It's really hard to get like a nice grocery store here, or like there's really nice grocery stores down south or anywhere else, but here.
Even on camp, the camp grocery store here is terrible. Once you go to main camp, where all the business side of it is, and the grocery store is amazing.
So right now we are on Woman's Street, that's what they call it. We have a men's street and a woman's street, and you have somebody who obviously is a really good driver. We get a lot of those around here. Hardware store looks closed to me. It's 7 to 12 and 4 to 10. They put up numbers, but it doesn't mean that they're actually following those numbers, because it's 11:50. This is very typical for us. It takes several trips to a store to see if they might have a part, which is why we order so many things on the internet and why it takes us so long to get any project completed.
Laughing at it. There's so much stuff going on. I got a busted fridge, and dilapidated pool. It just
Yeah, we have stuff everywhere in this house.
I can't keep up.
Yeah, because you know why? Because you're ADD and you can't do one project at a time.
Or the fact that I work 5 12-hour days and get 2 days off.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's a big part of it. Or the other part is that we're always waiting for something to be delivered.
Yeah, a widget. we put up the misters just to test out the pool to make sure things go well. They work if there's a breeze. Like you can notice it's nice if there's a breeze, but the water here is so hot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that 100 feet of mister line, stick it in this bucket full of ice and water, and I'm gonna stick it in the freezer. And then once it cools off for a couple minutes, I'll turn the mister on. Because I wanna go sit in the pool.
So talking about projects, we have so many going on. You know, our refrigerator broke. Hopefully I have that video out and you guys see that. Then of course the pool broke, so now we have to we have the new pool up, and so Joel's got to do all of the new plumbing. And then before the pool broke, our intention was to have a project to cool the pool, because like we showed you, it's 117 out here and we want to be in the pool, but it's just too hot. So that was a project that we had started before the pool broke. What other project do we have going on?
You want a stereo that works in the Maverick, so you can just hop into it and listen to music. Because the one that's in there right now requires a lot of work to get it to play.
Right.
So it's not fun.
And when I only drive 5 minutes somewhere, it's like I spend 5 minutes messing with it to try to get it turned on. So he's like, I'm gonna order you a new stereo and I'm gonna fix that. So that's another project. What's another project you've got going on, sir?
I don't know, sit around and play video games.
That's what he'd rather be doing, I'm sure, but he's the one who started all these projects, so he needs to get them finished so that my house could get back into some semblance of order. Because I don't do well with chaos and mess.
I am chaos.
And I married chaos and mess. And so like I don't do well when there's just things everywhere. So I'm like, get a project done. So that's what he's working on.
That's gonna be a fun knot later.
It's like you measured. You didn't measure?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Can I just crawl in there?
Water in my ice cube.
If you're wondering why he's using a watering can, it's because the water out of the hose is just too hot. So he used cold water from the house. So now that you've got the ice in there and the water in there, how long will it take for cold water to come out of the misters?
Oh, it should be actually relatively instantaneous.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the water temperature. So the longer the water sits in there and gets colder because the deep freeze is on,
Yeah.
then that will convey to more cold
Okay.
faster. So you could probably turn it on right now. Once it clears out the line, it probably start blowing cold. Not blowing cold, spraying cold.
And this one over here is on summer break, and she's done schoolwork, and now she's making slime.
Yeah, but I have a question for the pool.
You have a question for the pool or for Dad? Or a question about the pool?
About the pool.
Okay.
Well, for the pool, because on our other pool, it had that little sparkling thing.
Oh, the fountain?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Can we get it back on?
Oh yeah, the fountain's gonna come back on. Dad's gotta do all the plumbing and stuff for it. So it's been sitting in there for about an hour. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I probably need the other camera though.
Nothing coming out. Maybe it got frozen in there.
Oh no.
Froze faster than I thought it would. Huh?
Yeah.
See? That's some pretty warm water going into that, I'd imagine. It'll thaw it. Yeah, it's cold, bro. Dang, cool.
Yeah? Too cold, huh? Well, just give it a minute and I'll start puking water out the other end.
Set it right there.
Yeah, in the sun. It's already pouring water, babe. Ooh, that feels so nice.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. That's gonna feel so much better than just hot water. And?
Line's cold.
Is it?
It's really nice when there's a breeze.
Does it feel like it's like cold at all?
Not terribly, no. It's pretty warm.
Is it miserably, like uncomfortably yucky?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, well.
But you can put a line, you can see the condensation collecting on the line.
Oh yeah, that line is way cold. But yeah, the water that's coming out doesn't feel super cold. Oh, it's all ready to go in.
Nice to see you.
I like that top.
Well, thanks. Alright. So we know that just cooling the misters is not gonna be enough.
No, not enough.
Oh, crap. Now what do we do with the rest of the day?
Take a nap.
And I was gonna play hooky. Join us next time as we continue to try to figure out how to cool this pool after this failed attempt. Joel uses his skills and thinks bigger. So do we finally get it cold enough to enjoy in the summer months? Stay tuned.